Hi everyone, in this post today I'm gonna show you how you can create a free frame video in Filmora 13 with the newer version of Filmora. I highly recommend you use the SMART CUTOUT tool to make this effect. Let's get started and welcome to my channel. I'm Dandy2. Okay, first of all you need to make a steady shot with the city PFS and without camera track or camera movement, and bring it into the Filmora interface. And here I had a video I downloaded from the Mickey's website. Then now I wrap and drop it onto the timeline, right, with the first track. And now you play it at any frame rate that you want to make a freeze effect, right? And right here, I think right here, and then take a snapshot. And with the snapshot you can select the PNG or JPG, that's okay, right? And click OK, and it's open here for you, right? It's up here, right? And drag and drop it for a second track, and you stretch it in to fit with your video right at the frame rate, the man dancing like this, right? And now you double click a snapshot and go to the AI tools and use the SMART CUTOUT to remove the background of the snapshot, right? And click to open it and use the pen to roll the man here, you see. And to help you easy to find the mistake when you roll the mask, you can change the preview mode here and select the toggle transparency plug, and it's easy to find the mistake. Maybe the hand here, right? I see that. Okay, and you can use the eraser to delete the bad stuff here, right? Oh, I think it's great. Okay, when you feel happy with that, you can click save. But here Filmora frame you with the active thickness to extend the mask or make it smaller or bigger, right? Or with the active filter you make the egg around the mask is fairer, then look better, right? And I click save. One mask here, and sorry, one more freeze frame here, and I want more. Maybe when the man's okay, sit on the chair like this, right? I think here I take a snapshot again and wrap and drop it into the second third track on the third track, right? And stretch it to make sure at the frame rate when the man sitting on the chair, right? And now double click, go to the AI tools, SMART CUTOUT, open it, and you roll the master man, right? And again I select the toggle transparency plug to find the mistake, and maybe here and here, right at the left of man. Oh, you can use the ears to clean it, to delete the mistake, the bad stuff. Okay, adjust a little bit with the active filter, and I think it's okay. Then I click save, and you have two free frame here. And you see the man, when I move it at the beginning of the video, you see the man out of the chair. Here, that's reason why I gives you not to make a steady video, because if you had a shot or camera movement, it's hard for you to make the free frame rate, right? And now you click the play it to what the frame rate works, right? And you see you can make more free frame as you want, and you just use a SMART CUTOUT. It's more accurate and easy to use, right? So that's all I want to say with you today. So hope you enjoy my video, and please give me thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to support my to support me achieve my goals for 1K subscriber. And thank you so much, and see you next video. See ya.